Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I love painting simple subjects with a clear structure. Today I'm painting from a photo. I took this photo in Sydney and before painting I cropped it to improve the composition. To keep the painting simple, I'm using only 3 values: light, medium tone, and dark. The sky is a light value. I use a bright, warm blue to show a sunny day. The sunny parts of the house are also light in color. I used warm, bright colors where the sunlight hits the walls. I'm not painting every small detail. I focused on the big shapes and the values instead of details. The green grass and the gray roads are medium tones. They are not too light and not too dark, so they sit nicely between the sky and the shadows. The dark values are mainly in the big tree and the shadows area. For the shadows, I used cooler colors like blue and purple. This contrast makes the sunlight feel brighter. trees. I mixed green to be more dusty and gray, not too bright. I also painted small sky holes using the light sky color with a little green. This lets the light pass through the tree and makes it look more natural. I'm learning every day. I like simple painting with less details. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more painting videos. See you next time. Bye.